Here's how much money I made with GotBackup. Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, if you're watching this video, I'm assuming you are thinking about joining the GotBackup opportunity. If that is so, you are watching the right video. Now, GotBackup is a fairly new network marketing opportunity. It's been around like 9 months, and a lot of people are having success with GotBackup, but it's kind of flying under the radar. You know what I'm saying? When it comes to like Live Good, and then you got Nexus Snap getting more and more attention, but GotBackup is still there. Now, why I think GotBackup is not getting so much like crazy attention, because it's just like a calm, cool opportunity. All right, it is in the cloud storage industry, right? It's a multi-billion-dollar industry, but it's not sexy like Live Good health products or Nexus Snap, you know, getting money every time you shop, right? It's just there. So like I said, GotBackup is in the cloud storage industry, and that's basically their service is, you know, it gives their customers the opportunity to back up their important videos, photos, and documents. Now, GotBackup has a very similar compensation plan as Live Good and Nexus Snap. All right, you do pay a one-time affiliate fee, then it's only $9.97 a month to maintain your service and membership. So let me tell you real quick, I've been a member of GotBackup maybe 4 months. You know, time flying out, I can't remember. But I talked about this in a previous video where like I wasn't even going to join GotBackup. All right, but a guy I know, I joined him in other opportunities in the past. He a cool dude. He was talking about it and he sent me some messages about it. And I told him I'm cool, I'm doing a lot of other stuff, whatever. But one day I'm like, you know what, let me just check it out, right? So when I actually looked at what GotBackup service was, I was like, wait a minute, you know what I'm saying? This actually is useful. You know what I mean? Like backing up my photos and videos, especially as a marketer, online marketer, like this is a cool little service because the service is extremely cheap compared to like iCloud and Google Drive and all them other services, right? So I was like, all right, I like the service. So I'm like, well, if I'm going to use the GotBackup service, why the hell wouldn't I become an affiliate, right? So like that's how I got involved with GotBackup. And I wasn't planning on like going super hard with promoting and everything. I'm like, I'm going to use the service and just promote it, you know, casually, right? And that's what I do. Now, with that being said, there are people in GotBackup where GotBackup is their primary business. That's all they talk about. That's all they promote. And they are building solid incomes just with GotBackup. So with all that being said, with me casually promoting GotBackup, how much money have I made so far? Answer is boom. All right, little over $223 I've made as a GotBackup affiliate. Now, depending on who you is, you might be like, oh my God, that's amazing. You know what I'm saying? $223, like you barely done anything. Or you might be like, man, that ain't shit. You know what I'm saying? Like that's it, that's all you made. Well, if I'm being honest with you, I think it's dope as hell, considering I've done 4 or 5 videos talking about GotBackup very casually, and you know, I made this money. Like I said, honestly, I really do like the service, and I'm like, so I'm just an affiliate. So yes, I do promote GotBackup, and I will keep on producing videos and content about GotBackup because it really is a dope opportunity. So I will say this, keeping it all the way real. If you don't even really want to be an affiliate for whatever reason, you don't want to promote GotBackup, or you know, you don't want that to be your business, it still is a dope ass service. Like if you are somebody who has a lot of videos and photos on your phone or share documents, like get the service. You know what I'm saying? Pay the $9.97 a month, because this really is one of the cheapest cloud storage services that you're going to find. And if later on you decide, hey, yo, this is dope, and you do want to promote it, then you could always become an affiliate later. So if you do want to check out the GotBackup service or the business opportunity, all you need to do is click that first link in the description. Now, if you do decide that you want to become a GotBackup affiliate, I will see you on the team.